Today's video is a ship with me edition where I will go over what I am shipping this evening, as well as which products I will use to ship each product. Stay tuned to see how I determine what ships first class versus priority mail, and if it's in an envelope, a poly mailer, a padded flat rate mailer, a box, a regional, or a flat rate priority shipping box. A lot of options, I know. So stay tuned and I'll try to help you out. Okay, so I had someone ask how I go about determining which shipping products to use when I pack and ship my orders. So I'm going to go down this row. Here's a variety of items from various websites that I sold on: eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, Facebook, and Amazon. We'll start with this sweatsuit. I sold it on Poshmark. Poshmark is always priority mail. So I usually put anything that will fit in one of these poly mailers free from the post office in that envelope. I do not purchase specialty padded envelopes with designs or anything cute. For Poshmark, I do not include a cutesy little handwritten card or tissue paper. I still get great feedback. So that extra fluff is not worth my time. So this again is a free from the post office envelope, and you can get those on the USPS website. The next item, the torrid shirt, was sold on Mercari. First class label for that, so I stuck it in one of my eBay poly mailers that I got free from my store subscription. The poly mailer looks like this. So yes, I do use the free eBay poly mailers to ship items sold on Mercari. I love free shipping supplies. And the shirt next to it sold on eBay, so I did also stick it inside one of those free poly mailers from eBay. I have a video on how to redeem your coupon for free shipping supplies if you have a store subscription, and I will link that here. These jeans sold on eBay, and they are way over 1 pound in weight. So I love the padded flat rate mailers from the Postal Service. If it fits, it ships, and these jeans will fit in this padded flat rate mailer. And those usually cost $7.76 until, of course, there's a price increase. But that's one flat fee for whatever you can fit inside that envelope. You can also order these free on the USPS website. I have a video on how to redeem free USPS shipping supplies, and I will link that here as well. Now the next 3 items also sold on eBay. Each of these items weigh under 1 pound. So I did put them in the same eBay poly mailer that I get free from my store subscription. They come in various sizes. Those are lightweight and it keeps it under 1 pound. And lastly, the candle. This is a breakable candle in a glass jar. The buyer paid $37 alone for the candle, so I want to make sure it doesn't break. And I get free insurance with priority shipping. So I put it in a box, and this is an eBay box that I also received for my store subscription. I believe it's a 6x6x4 box. I'll have to check the dimensions, but again, you can get that from the shipping supply store with your coupon. So I have several of those, and these are good for coffee mugs and candles like this. I did make a video on how to ship a coffee mug in these boxes using the padded flat rate mailers, and I will link that here as well. So I have this candle in a box, and then to receive the lowest shipping rate, I put it in a regional rate A box. I paid $11.29 for this priority shipping. Had I not gone with regional rate A, priority mail would have been about $14. And you can see those difference in pricing when you go to print your label. It gives you all the different shipping options. So I'm going to close up the inner box, put some bubble mailers around the outer edges, and then seal the outside box. But again, I love this priority box because it comes with, I believe it's $50 free insurance. I just realized I didn't go over the cost of each of these labels, so I'm going to do that real quick, going backwards. So for the Nat Nash shirt,
It was 9 ounces. So first class shipping was $3.51 with my eBay seller discount. Now the buyer did pay shipping. I use a flat rate shipping model, and I charge anywhere from $6 to $7 for first class. I do realize that's more expensive than what you can pay for a first class label, but my time is money too, as well as the shipping supplies and packing material. So for the Briggs skirt, it was also 9 ounces. Depending on their location, it could be higher or lower. This label is $3.58. Again, I do not offer free shipping, so the buyer did pay $6 shipping, so I made a little money on the ship charge also. The Chico's top was also 9 ounces. It must have been going farther east. I'm in Wyoming. Yes, it was going to Michigan. So that rate on this one was $4.53. But still, I'm ahead of the game because I charged them at least $6 for first class shipping. The True Religion jeans, it was 1 pound 6 ounces, so I knew it had to go in a flat rate mailer. And for jeans and anything priority, I charged no less than $9 for priority shipping. I could go anywhere from 9 to 12. Knowing that I could get this in a flat rate mailer, I'm pretty sure I charged them $9. So again, I'm ahead on the ship charge. While I may have lost money on the candle shipping, I've made money on everything else. And Amazon is tricky in that you can't change the ship charge if you're doing fulfilled by merchant. So it's going to be $5.99, $4.99 shipping regardless. Okay, back down the list here we have the Tommy Bahama shirt. The label was $3.18. And again, I'm sure I charged $6 for shipping. And the Torrid was Mercari, so the shipping was already paid by the buyer. And the same on Poshmark. Again, I don't offer free shipping on anything, so that was already included in the buyer's total. These are the shipping supplies that I use. Again, nothing fancy. It's either free from the post office or free from eBay. And I do recycle boxes as well. So if you purchase something from Amazon, hang on to those Amazon boxes, especially the free bubble mailers, as they do come in handy.
I just shared with you how I shipped 8 different items that I sold on eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. I hope this was helpful in helping you determine whether to ship an item first class mail, priority mail, or something else. The takeaways I have from today's video include: use your free shipping supplies, those that are free from the Postal Service website, or you can even go inside a post office and pick up the free materials just inside the door. Also, if you're an eBay store subscriber, you receive a quarterly coupon for free eBay shipping supplies. I created a video on how to redeem that coupon and get your free supplies, and I will link that here. The link will also be provided below in the description. While I do take advantage of the free shipping supplies, I still have to buy paper for my printer, as well as clear packing tape. And then I do purchase business cards to throw inside each package. So with that in mind, I do charge shipping on all of my items. I have been doing this for 20 years, and this has been my model for quite some time. It's what works for me. It may not work for you. I know there are advantages to having free shipping, but I do charge a ship charge of $6 for first class mail and anywhere from 9 to 12 for priority. If it's a heavier item, I will charge even more than that and consider using UPS or FedEx as an option. How's everyone doing? Do you like this type of video? If so, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next one. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, please do. I'm at pieceofscrap. Leave a comment below if you like this type of format, and I will go ahead and make this a series where I describe my packing material and supplies while I'm shipping my items, perhaps on a Sunday evening when I have a weekend full of sales. Now back to the takeaways from today's video. Many eBayers are confused as to whether to use first class or priority shipping, and this is really kind of simple when you consider the weight involved. If you're shipping via the eBay website, which I strongly encourage you do, that way tracking is always provided. Anything under 16 ounces will ship first class. Anything over the 16 ounces will go priority mail. So I strongly recommend using those padded flat rate mailers for shoes or jeans or anything that will fit inside those padded flat rate mailers, as they are cheaper than using a regular priority mail box or even a poly bag. In fact, I have used those padded flat rate mailers to ship coffee mugs. I have a video on how to ship a coffee mug cheaply using these priority padded flat rate mailers. And I will link that here as well. And as I briefly mentioned earlier, you might want to compare UPS and FedEx when shipping heavier items. Also not listed here, you can also use media mail when shipping books, manuscripts, videotapes, and computer media such as CDs and DVDs. You just need to make sure there isn't communication involved, and that includes advertising. For more clarification on these rules, you can visit the Postal Service website at usps.com. Many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so do me a favor and click that subscribe button. Also, share with your friends on social media. I'm trying to grow my channel and I need all the help I can get. Continue watching and I'll catch you in the next video.